Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Nokia 5510. Released in 2001, it's a GSM phone that works on dual band at 900 MHz and 1800 MHz. This was the first Nokia that reproduces MP3 files. Let's take a look. As you can see, it has a QWERTY keyboard like at the computer. These are the numbers, the space bar, shift, different characters. There is the earpiece for conversations. At the bottom, what we found. If we open it, this is an audio input, okay, 2.5 millimeters, because you could play CD players inside of it. And this is the output audio, 2.5 millimeters. Nokia charger, Nokia headsets, the microphone also, the radio button. I think also that was one of the first Nokias with radio. Play music, stop music, and plus and minus buttons for volume. Okay, at the top there is the speaker for the ringtones, okay, and the turn on off button. At the back, only the logo from Nokia. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, because I put a SIM card invalid for that cell phone. So this is the Nokia 5510. This is some wallpapers that you can choose different profiles of the phone, like silent, normal, vibration. Okay, let's take a look at the main menu. The contacts, messages, chat. I think it uses WAP browser, yes, WAP 1.0, call register, sounds. Let's take a look. Oh, also you can compose your own sounds. As you can see, mine are empty, and let's take a look at the original ringtones. Okay, and then, as I told you, you can compose your own sounds. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Now I'm gonna show you what more. Volume options, messages, sounds. Okay, keypad sounds and vibration option. One of the first phones with that option. And graphic modes, that's the wallpaper. Okay, I have selected that one from Nokia. They are like GIFs. Really cool for its time, in my opinion. Please comment below what do you think about the phone. I think this is a really good phone for its time, with the MP3 player, QWERTY keyboard and chat. Okay, some other options from the phone. Let's take a look, for example, at the languages, mine included. Can be different firmware versions with different ringtones or languages. As you can see, mine has only 3 languages. Okay, call options, music. What about that? Sorry, because the Play don't has a speaker for reproduce the MP3 songs, only the ringtones. So for play music, you have to connect your headphones, or there the Nokia ML connector, or there the Nokia the jack 2.5 millimeters for audio output. Okay, and there you have the input, because the phone can record external audio with the jack 2.5 millimeters. Also can record the radio, and with the mini USB port you can put your own sounds on the phone. You only need the correct program. I know how to do that. Comment below if anyone want how to put MP3 sounds and use the phone like an MP3 player. But as you can see, radio recorder and unknown sounds. How I put the sounds, the titles are deleted, as you can see, but it sounds fine, works fine, reproducing the melodies. Voice recorder also, the radio, as I told you, there is the button from the radio. Okay, what more? Games, like the phones of that years, include the Snake 2, Space Impact, Bumper, Batumi, Pirates 2. Inside the phone we found the Nokia 33 and 10, as you can see. How I have more than 300 cell phones? Because I repaired them. I got them broken or used it, and I repaired them and unlock it, and I use it for my day by day for use for calls and everything. Okay, what's more? Calculator, as you can see, there are numbers. We want to +1, for example. Okay, different options like every Nokia from these years. Some notes. Also another thing, for the music player, this phone had a really huge memory for its time. Remember, in 2001 there are floppy disks from 1 megabytes or something similar. That phone has 64 megabytes for put your own MP3 songs. Remember the low quality from that years, so you could put more than 10 songs, I think. 64 megabytes, 3 megabytes for song, so 20 songs, for example. What's more, clock options, alarm, and other things, different modes, normal, silent, beep. Okay, and services, as I told you, it has a web navigator for browsing the internet, and services from our operator SIM card. Okay, so I think that was all about the phone. Please comment what do you think about it. I would like to read your comments, and that was all about that. Like my video and subscribe for more stuff like this. See you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.